Halo guys, udah pada subscribe belum? Kalau belum, klik dulu dong tombol merah di bawah. Boleh kan? Dan jangan lupa nyalakan loncengnya ya. Subscribe itu gratis kok, nggak bayar.
Hello everyone and thanks for tuning back in. Alessandro the Crypto here. I hope you're doing all fine. This is a small quick update video on the Bitcoin price, my friends, because currently Bitcoin is still going crazy, still creating new all-time highs almost on a daily basis. And since we have currently this potential rising broadening wedge forming here, I just want to bring you out this little update and also show you why potentially 46,000 is possible during this weekend, and it is possible also that this is going to be our blow off top before we're gonna start a potential correction next week, and why, if we are not gonna top out at least for now at 46,000, why 63,000 could be the next potential big target here for Bitcoin if we just continue to go higher, and this potential bearish pattern here will not break out to the downside but potentially will break out to the upside if we are able to go way above $46,000, my friends. So this is a quick update right now, so make sure that you watch the video till the end. So here in the 4 hour you can see this ascending broadening wedge with a support currently at around $38,500, and we have this rising resistance line here currently at around $44,000. So even though we are still looking very overbought in several time frames, also here in the 4 hour, and the pullback at least towards the 20 moving average currently at $37,400 is possible, I'm expecting to stay within this broadening wedge at least during the weekend. So we're most likely gonna bounce here up and down, and we're gonna see here where we're gonna break out. If we're gonna lose here the support, I'm afraid that we could go at least towards $35,000, potentially even way lower. The 200 moving average currently is here at around $26,000. But now let's focus here on what could happen during the weekend if we're gonna continue to go higher and higher. Because if we look here at this trend line, you can see that $46,900 could be reached here by tomorrow evening. Latest on Sunday, I think we maybe could shoot up towards $46,900, and there is where we're gonna see if Bitcoin is gonna get rejected there or if we're gonna see continuation to the upside. And you may ask, why $46,900? I have covered that in many videos already, but I will show you now again why this price target and why this could be a potential blow off top target if we're gonna see during the weekend such a scenario where we're just gonna blast through towards 46,900 and then maybe have a huge correction afterwards, and then we potentially could fall towards the 9 weekly moving average at $24,000, and in the worst case down towards the 0.618 fib line currently at around $18,000, where also more or less next week the 20 weekly moving average will line up. So you can see that if we do this Fibonacci retracement from the old all-time high that we had at 20k down to the bottom in 2018 of around 3k, this gives us in the normal scale a 1.618 fib line of $30,000. This was our first potential target since we broke it already and created a support above. The next fib extension target would be here, this $46,900, the 2.618 fib line. And if we're also able to go higher and create a support above this $46,900, then it is very likely that we could even go towards $63,000, and that is the 3.618 fib line here based on the normal chart. And that's why I think, since we now created a support above 30k, it is very likely that this is the potential next blow off top target if we're gonna see a blow off top. If we're just going higher than 46,900 and also create a support above, then I think we could be in a similar move like we have seen now from 30k up to this price level, where we may be gonna top out here at $63,000 and not yet at 46,900. And this is why I think $46,900 is a very, very important key level also to think about if you maybe want to take here a little bit of profits out, just in case that you don't have cash on the sideline to buy the dip if afterwards we're gonna see a bigger correction. But also be prepared that maybe if we are able to create a support above this price level, the next target could be here $63,000. And even here it's not necessarily the case that we're gonna then correct immediately back down. It is also possible that Bitcoin is just going to continue to go higher and higher, even higher than 100k, and then maybe start a bigger correction. So no one can tell you what will happen, but based on the Fibonacci extensions, at least we know more or less what are the next targets here if we're able to go higher and higher, and what important price levels we should keep a very close eye on. And that's why this is going to be very interesting to see this ascending broadening wedge, where it's gonna take us if we're able to reach this $46,900 and what will happen there. So I think this weekend is gonna be very exciting to see what Bitcoin is gonna do. And now, next to these price levels that we have covered now in already many videos, I want to show you a little bit of magic, my friends, and then you tell me what you think, what will happen. Are we going now towards $46,900 and then correct, or are we on the way towards 63,000 and then maybe have a little bigger correction before we gear up to another big parabolic move, which will take us way above 100k? And this magic I'm gonna show you right now, because this is the normal scale and those are the normal Fibonacci extensions based on the normal scale. If we now click here and go into the log scale, and then we have to zoom in here a little bit, and we change the Fibonacci retracement also based into the log scale, you can see that this gives us a 1.618 Fib extension of exactly $63,000 and not anymore the 30k that we have on the normal scale. And look also where the next 2.618 Fib extension is lining up, right at $400,000. So let me know, my friends, what are you thinking here on these log scale Fibonacci extensions? In my opinion, this is a very realistic price level to be reached right now, $63,000. Then maybe have a bigger correction and then start a parabolic move, which will take us potentially even towards $400,000, which is very likely to be reached. So this might be our next big parabolic top here in Bitcoin. Before then, we're gonna start this bear market like we have seen in 2017 to 2019 all over again, till we're gonna have the next big halving. So this is a little thought that I had today when I checked here these Fib extensions on the logarithmic scale. Let me know, what are you thinking? Are those prices realistic or not? Please let me know in the comment section, and also over on Discord. If you are not member yet in Discord,